Welcome to Bosch Home Appliances. In this video, we are going to talk about the new Bosch Series 8 induction hob. Bosch induction hobs are known for their reliability and efficient cook time. Introducing the Bosch new Series 8 induction hob that allows you to whip up your dishes fast, making your cooking experience a breeze. Introducing the Induction Technology. With induction hobs, the heat is only generated at the base of the pan, ensuring more safety and convenience for the user. Moreover, the lower temperature reduces the risk of your hands getting burnt, while saving an average of 20% energy compared to a glass ceramic hob. The induction hob still performs at a higher efficiency, boiling 2 liters of water twice as fast. Next, let's take a look at the PowerBoost function, which allows you to speed up your cooking. Waiting for the water to boil when cooking can be a test of patience. With PowerBoost, you are now able to boil large quantities of water faster. This ultra-quick heating function heats up to 35% faster as compared to the highest power level. Now you are able to whip up quick and easy meals even more quickly. A timer with switch-off function will automatically switch off the cooking zone upon completion of the timer. You are able to activate the timer on the assigned cooking zone. This function is useful if a certain dish requires a specific cooking time to achieve the perfect taste. On top of that, each cooking zone will automatically switch off once cooking is done, saving you effort and reducing energy consumption. Designed with metal strips on the side and a beveled front, the Series 8 induction hob is not only a masterpiece with its functions, its elegant design is definitely an appealing addition to your countertop. With the DirectSelect touch control, you are able to select the heat temperature with a single touch, allowing you to cook with precision at every stage. Cleaning the hob can't get any simpler with its sleek and minimalistic design. All you have to do is wipe across the hob with a towel, and you will be able to get rid of any grease or spillage. Cleaning after cooking has become more convenient with no scrubbing or heavy-duty cleaning. The new Series 8 induction hob provides you with a fuss-free cooking experience. You are now able to experience fast and precise cooking while saving time and energy too.